Today is our fifth of 5 opinion argumentative prompts. And we're going to take a deep look into the positive aspects of online learning versus traditional instruction. In order to dive into this topic, I would like you to make a T chart. Somewhere in your notebook or on your computer, if you're typing this, set up a T chart so that you can do a little bit of compare and contrast about the two different forms of learning. I know a lot of you right now are at home learning remotely, maybe through packets, maybe through instruction provided through Google Classroom or Schoology. What are the positive things about it? What are you liking? On the other side, what do you enjoy about being in a traditional classroom? See if you can come up with some bullet points for that. And then I want you to look at your sides. And unlike last week when we did the Venn diagram for informational learning to compare and contrast, pick your side. Which one is more impactful or positive to you? Do you prefer online learning? If so, talk about the different ways that you have been enjoying it. If you prefer traditional learning back in the classroom, what is it that you like about that? Make that argument. Set your timer for 7 minutes and 42 seconds after you've made your list. Happy writing.